is Karen, and in this video you'll learn how to make up to $200 per day with no job, no skills, and no website. And this is completely free. It's super easy to do, anyone can do it. And I'm really excited to share this information with you. If you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, easy money, and we're getting started right now. Okay, the method that I'm going to be showing you is how to promote ClickBank products for completely free. And you can make a lot of money doing this. It will take time, but it costs you absolutely nothing. I'm going to share with you 2 profitable niches and then how to promote these products for completely free. So if you don't have a ClickBank account, the first thing, of course, is to sign up for an account completely free. And then you're going to go to the marketplace right up here at the top, click on that. And then we're going to search right here. The first niche that we're going to talk about is woodworking. This is a very profitable niche, in case you didn't know. So click on the search right here. And then we are going to search by gravity. And that just means these are products that affiliates have made a lot of sales with. So I would say anything over 40 is good gravity. The first one that comes up doesn't look like it has to do with woodworking. So we're going to scroll down. The second one here is the highest converting woodworking course in ClickBank. So this one, you can see the gravity is over 201. So that is a really good one to promote. I'm going to share with you 4 that I think are good, and you can just test them out to see which ones convert the best. Second one here is over 106 gravity, My Shed Plans. That one's really good. I would say this one's good as well. Ultimate Small Shop, Next Woodworking Blockbuster, that's over 47 gravity. And then Wood Profits, $80 per sale. And the gravity is over 41 on that one. So I would say those 4 are going to be good to promote with the method that I'm going to share with you that's completely free. So in case you don't know, to promote, you're going to generate your hop link here. You'll have your account nickname. That's the username that you got when you signed up, or created when you signed up. And this is going to be your link. So when someone clicks on that and they purchase, you'll get credit for the sale. And of course, I would not use this to mask it somehow or get a domain name. Also, I would recommend that you look at the affiliate pages because they do have a lot of materials that you can use in your marketing. So what we're going to do with these products is we're going to go over to Instagram. And if you don't have an Instagram page already set up, do that for free. There's plenty of tutorials out there for free, just in case you don't know how to do that and how to create your bio and everything. So you can create as many Instagram pages as you want. And what we're going to do is come in here and search woodworking. And I'm going to share with you an example of people that are using this exact method to make sales on ClickBank through these woodworking products. So here's one example. Woodworking Projects is what this is called. And they are posting images of different woodworking projects. And then in the link of their bio here, they have a link to a ClickBank product. Now they were really smart here because it's a little bit more advanced if you create a lead capture page and then you're just capturing people's email addresses. And I put my email in here. It takes you to Ted's Woodworking right here. This one here. So they have this lead capture page attached to this VSL, this sales video. So that's really smart because they've done that. So they're capturing leads. So if someone does not purchase on the first exposure, then they probably have a follow-up series where they continue to market to people, and then eventually some people will buy. So you can see all the different woodworking projects that they have here, and then you can direct people as they click on these images. You can direct people back to the link in your bio. So you're probably wondering, like, where do you get these images? I'm going to share with you a couple different methods, actually 3. So there are free stock images out there that you can get on Pexels, PEXELS.com. So if we go in here, actually I would just search woodworking, and then you're going to have all these free images that come up that you can use. Scroll down here to see there's quite a few of them. And also then up here there's different searches that you can click on too, so you can maybe include some woodworking tools in your Instagram posts. So that's the first place that you can go to get images. Then you can also go to Pixabay.com, and if you type in woodworking here, you can see all the different really cool images that come up that you can use. These are all copyright-free images. So then another place that you can go to is Canva, Canva.com. If you go in here and just click on Instagram post, you can see there's all these templates, but you can also just create, use a blank one here, and then upload images and put on the blank template here, and then download those and post those on Instagram. And you want to create some sort of value for people and really cool images that they want to click on it. They read about the project, and then you direct them again to the link in your bio. That's the first niche that I want to tell you about because it is very profitable. But I also wanted to share with you that you can use other people's images and not have any copyright strikes or anything like that, because you're going to give credit to the person that you got the image from. So the way that you can find images that are very popular is you can just come in here and type hashtag woodworking. Also make sure in your image post that you include hashtags, because that'll help people to find your images. So you could use some of these images here, and again, you just want to give them credit that you had used their image, but you can still have, when you click on them, let's see, this one here, this one actually doesn't have a call to action to click on the link in the bio, and this must be their original image because they don't have any credits to give to anyone. But these, you can do this with videos, you can do this with images, but you want to use the images that are getting a lot of views, a lot of engagement. So some of these in here are not, this one is over 63,000 views. So this could be one that you could use. This is really cool, showing these doors, and again, you would just give credit to the Instagram account where you got it from. So if you guys are enjoying this content so far, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, and we talk about all kinds of things on making money online and YouTube marketing and money manifestation. So let's go ahead and get on to the second niche, and that is keto. A lot of people are eating keto, and it is a very profitable niche inside of ClickBank here. So again, we're going to type in keto, and we already are searching by gravity. So this one is over 381 gravity. So this custom keto diet is really good to promote. Keto resources is another good one. And we will just go with those two right now. This one, let's see, is over 48. This is another good one. So at least those three. Then we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to go over to Instagram, and we're going to type in keto, and I'll show you examples of people who are doing this. This first one here, keto meals recipes. So they are just posting different images of food and just tips about keto. So if we click on, let's see, we're going to click on this one here. So they do have a call to action here, which I would recommend you do in each one of your posts. So if you want to lose several pounds in the first week alone with keto lifestyle, and they're using the hashtags, you want to make sure you use hashtags that are relevant to your niche. You can click link in our bio to get everything you need for keto success. Imagine armed with a 4-week meal plan and various keto recipes. So if we click on the link in their bio, they have a really cool page here that they created, which you could replicate or kind of model after, but they have 3 different links in here. And guess what? All 3 of them go to ClickBank products. So this one here, Keto Resource. This one here, Custom Keto Diet, that is also a ClickBank product. And then the last one is that 28-day keto, and that is a ClickBank product as well. So this is taking you to 3 different links. So they found a way, because you can only have 1 link in your bio, they found a way that they can do 3 links. So I think that's really smart. So this is a Instagram account that you could model after, see what they're doing, see what they're writing in their posts. And again, if you want to get free images, you can go to Pexels.com, type in here keto diet or keto, or just keto, and you can see all the images here that you can use for free. And there's plenty of free recipes out there, so if you got an image, of course you can make your own recipes and take a picture of it and put it on your Instagram account and put the recipe on there. Of course, some of these are not really recipes, you're just putting things together, but you could write how you put this plate together, all the different things that you put on it, and then again have a call to action to click the link in your bio to get more recipes. So that's one place, and then Pixabay is the other place. There's just endless amounts of pictures that you can use. Keto. Let's see. That one might be better though, I think. This one for keto anyway is Pexels. And then if you go to Instagram post, I did have a image that I saved in here from Pexels. So if you have a blank image here, just go upload the image in here, and then you can add other things to it if you want. You can add text to it. So if you did that, you could add text if you wanted to write something on it. So there's all kinds of things. You could put videos in here, and then you would just download it and use this image on Instagram. And the same thing as what I was talking about earlier is that you can go to Instagram accounts that are getting a lot of engagement, and as long as you give credit to the photo or video, you can use them on your account. And I wanted to show you that a lot of these images are not actually their images, because if you scroll way down, they give credit right here. And so that's how you can also find accounts that you can model after, or also to use some of their images. So see, they have a lot of great images on here that you could also use as long as you give credit. But if you go to Instagram and just type in keto, hashtag keto, you can see all the different posts that are about keto and find more images there. Keto lifestyle is another great hashtag, ketosis, keto diet. So any of these hashtags that come up here will give you even more images that you could use. Let's see if they, yeah, see they're using this as well, doing the same idea here. And let's see if she has, I'm thinking this is probably a ClickBank product too, Bitly. Yep, this is a ClickBank product as well. So she has not as many followers, but she's building her account up here, and she's got the right idea. Let's see what she posts in her actual post here. Now see, she doesn't have a call to action to click the link in her bio, which you should have in every single post here, but she gives the recipe, which it's very easy to find keto recipes for free on the internet, and then you can post a picture, find a picture of the actual finished product, or if you're going to make it, you know, of course you can take a picture of that. So there's just endless possibilities here, and then you don't just have to have one account, you can have as many accounts as you want. You can also rotate out the links and see which one converts the best, because there's all, like I said, with woodworking there was at least 4 of them. With keto there's at least 3 or 4 that you can rotate out and see which ones convert the best. So I would say get one account going, then set up another one. Just wanted to show you how many accounts this person has. So if you go to keto, this keto meals recipe, keto recipes, Keto Nation. So you can see these are just different variations of the same thing. I'm sure it's the same person that owns all these accounts, because you can see it's a very similar page that you go to, and these are both ClickBank products. So I would take a look at these type of Instagram accounts, and you can just model after what they're doing. Obviously you're not going to copy it, but there's endless ideas here for you of how you can do this. It's not difficult. You're going to be posting images and then directing people to the link in the bio, putting helpful information. Don't just say, I'm going to go out there and sell things. You want to, you can do research on the internet, like some fun facts or different tips for people who are eating keto. So if you like the method I showed you in this video, I think you're really going to like this video coming up. How to make $3,000 per month with affiliate marketing. And that's getting started right now.